DALL-E is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI that can generate text, images, and audio from natural language prompts. It has the ability to understand and respond to a wide range of queries and can be used for a variety of applications, such as text generation, image generation, and voice synthesis. In this video, we will show you how to delete unwanted elements from our images using DALL-E. First, we will log into the DALL-E application and upload our image using the Upload Image option. In the Text field, we will write in detail the operation we want to perform on our image. After completing all these steps, we will press the Generate button and wait for DALL-E to perform the operation we requested. As a result, DALL-E's artificial intelligence will apply the desired text to the image in just a few seconds, making our job much easier. Please note that DALL-E is a language model, and the outputs generated may not always be perfect or accurate, so it's recommended to check the output image before using it.